You can certainly use these tasks that we've provided, or you can obviously expand upon these on your own, depending on your specific needs. So we go over to our Seismic and we structure this inside of a program. We like to put these inside tasks. So you can see here on the third column, we'll click on the tasks button, and tasks are just that, a way for us to sort of organize and have a checklist of items that need to be done. So I have some samples in here. You can certainly add to these as well. And basically when you go to create a task, you can assign it with a name, just say content creation or whatever the particular task is. I may put a description and some details in there. Again, you can reference back to our guide if you want to copy paste these and put them right into the tasks and then add your own. You need to set an assignee as well. So I can put myself down if I wanted to on this particular task. And I want to associate a time and date for this and how long it's going to take, what the priority is of that. And I can also attach any specific content I want as well. So this is really helpful if I have an instruction guide or basically any kind of context that I want to share. Sometimes we even put in a page from Seismic that has instructions on how to get started or a set of tutorials for how to actually go and document these particular processes. So now we have this working task list that helps us manage the individual components. One other thing to note is you can also break down subtasks here as well. So if the task is more of like an overarching project that has multiple small items underneath of that, each one of those could be its own subtask, and you could assign those to different individuals as well. It's a great way to sort of project manage this program and make sure you got kind of accountability and most importantly, visibility across the entire project.